POV, you're 8 weeks pregnant with your third child, and today you're going to be giving your oldest child a car. You have to cut back on your caffeine intake, so you celebrate the glass you can have. You try to grasp the fact that the baby you got pregnant at 17 with is almost 16. You have a little work to do, but your commute is just to the couch. The little internet business you started a few years ago means you never have to do daycare drop-off ever again, which you wish you could have given to your oldest. You sit in the back just because, and you decide to bring your 15-year-old cat with you. You meet up with your old vice principal from high school, and you buy his mother's car. Signs over the paperwork, and they eventually call your number. The DMV clerk is extremely helpful and lives down the street from us. You pay the taxes which you forgot about and realize your husband's fly has been down the whole time. You contemplate if you should tell him or not, and you hope nobody's noticed. After the DMV computers crashed a couple of times, you finally get the car. The car that was born the same year as your oldest child, and driving it kind of makes you feel like a teenager again. You bring it to your dad's house and he gives it one more look over, even though he's already test drove it. And finally, you reveal the surprise. Your oldest child is not one to show too much excitement for anything, but in his own little way, you can tell that he's extremely excited. He doesn't really know how to turn it on, which you find quite amusing. And after you show him the basics, give him a list of 100 rules.
Seatbelt!
You drive around the parking lot that your father taught you to drive in 17 years earlier, and he does great. You watch the eclipse and he Snapchats his friends. That's how you know he's really excited. Outside of your mom and dad's house, you see a total eclipse, which even impressed the teenager. Streetlights came on and it was dark for a minute. You eat too much food with the friends that you've had since before he was born. Then you count this day among the good ones and head to bed.